Hey, Rob here for Quadratec.com. Today we're taking a look at the JCR off-road winch mount for the 2018 and newer Jeep Wrangler JL Rubicon steel bumper. Now, one of the great things about the steel bumper option right from the factory is, of course, that you get a bumper that's just so customizable. You can do things like removing the end caps to get better approach angles when you're on the trail. Of course, you've got your recovery points in here, and it's a winch-ready bumper. However, the one thing missing from the factory is an actual winch plate to get your winch mounted up inside of the bumper. And that's where JCR Off-Road steps in. Now, with their winch mount, you get the plate that mounts your winch down between the frame rails inside of the steel bumper, along with their adapter plate that allows you to mount your fairlead on the front of the bumper, and they include all the hardware for an easy bolt-on installation. Now, it does set your winch down inside of the bumper, which gives you a great sleek look. However, because it's down there, well, it's kind of hard to get a good look at that mounting plate. So I'm going to go ahead and get that bumper out of the way so we can take a better look. Now that we can get a better look at the winch plate, you can see it's made from a single piece of 3/16 steel that's been cut and bent, and it mounts simply by sandwiching between the front of the frame horns here and the steel bumper using the factory hardware, with the addition of 2 bolts underneath here that JCR does provide. And it does a great job at keeping the winch mounted nice and low between the frame rails, giving you lots of airflow to the radiator here. It's been designed to work with most popular winches on the market that use a standard mounting pattern, and that includes popular Warn Xeon series winches, VR series winches, as well as the entire line of Quadratec Q series winches. Now, there is one thing to take note of. Depending on your specific winch model, you may need to do some slight trimming. There's 2 little ears here for the factory frame horn on the passenger side that stick out just beyond the JCR mounting plate, and you may require some trimming there just to give you clearance for your motor to slide the winch forward so it's not making contact with the grill of your Jeep. Now, if you guys want to get more information or purchase a JCR off-road winch mounting plate for your 2018 and newer Jeep Wrangler JL Rubicon featuring a steel bumper, you can click on that info button to head over to Quadratec.com. Of course, if you have any comments or questions, you can leave those for us below or contact us directly at any of the options on the screen in front of you. And you want to make sure you hit that subscribe button so you're sure to catch all of our latest Jeep Wrangler JL product reviews. Till next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you guys out on the trail.